2-in-1 3D UV DTF printer, offering two different printing solutions for both soft fabrics and hard substrates. Choose the solution you prefer and pair it with specialized inks and films to achieve exceptional results. To achieve a raised 3D texture, it combines 3D soft UV DTF ink with a TPU-based 3D UV DTF film, producing a logo patch that is both durable and wash-resistant for use on most materials. After printing, use a cutter to create your custom 3D UV DTF logo patches. Then, using a top and bottom dual control heat press to transfer the patch onto garment. These patches are perfect for personalizing jerseys, t-shirts, caps, bags, teamwear, sportswear, and more. The Epson i3200 UV provides high productivity and high image quality with 600 dpi high-density resolution. It comes with a liquid level switch that alerts you when it is time to pour out waste. With an adjustable vacuum suction platform, the film adheres firmly to the platform, ensuring a smooth printing process. The built-in peristaltic pump reduces the risk of print head clogging, extends the print head service life, and ensures stable printing. We also have the industrial-grade model P60, a 3D UV DTF printer equipped with 3 Epson print heads to deliver greater stability and faster print speeds.